guys, today we see how to create a table and matrix in Power BI. So sometimes you also want to show data in tabular format. तो हमारे पास यहाँ two options हैं. One is table and matrix. So these are the topics here जो हम इस वीडियो के थ्रू कवर करेंगे. In table we see how to create a simple table, formatting a table, conditional formatting in table. Later on we will see some aggregations how to change, like some average, minimum, maximum, those kind of aggregations. Or in matrix we will see how to create a matrix in Power BI, conditional formatting in matrix, automatic hierarchy in matrix. Also we will see subtotal and grand total and number formatting in table and matrix. Let's see how to create a simple table. तो इस table में I'll create a table for सब category जहाँ I can show you sales, profit and quantity. तो आप देख रहे हो here we have only columns option. As you can see in my previous videos वहाँ हर option के लिए different sections थे like axes, columns, tooltip etc. पर यहाँ only one section है, they are named as columns. तो आपको कुछ भी इसमें करना है, you just drag and drop into columns. Now you drag data fields as subcategory sales, profit and quantity in columns option. अगर आप इसे मोबाइल में देख रहे हो और इन अ लो क्वालिटी द टेक्स्ट साइज वुडंट बी विजिबल प्रॉपर्ली. तो अगर आप इसके टेक्स्ट साइज को इंक्रीज करना चाहते हो सो वी हैव डिफरेंट मेथड्स व्हिच आई विल शो यू लेटर. पर उससे पहले वी वांट टू सॉर्ट दिस क्वांटिटी कॉलम इन असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो सिंपल, आप क्वांटिटी हेडिंग को क्लिक करोगे एंड यू कैन सी द चेंजेस. ऑल्सो यू कैन सॉर्ट दिस सेल्स कॉलम, सिंपली क्लिक ऑन द सेल्स हेडिंग. Also you can sort the subcategory in alphabetical order, so I can just click on this button and you can see alphabetical ascending order. तो आप heading पे क्लिक करके order को change कर सकते हो in ascending or descending order. Now we will see how to format a table. We simple copy this table and then paste. तो हम जब भी formatting की बात करते हैं again we do the same thing, cosmetic part, increase the size, change the background etc etc. तो सबसे पहले I increase the size to select the table and click on format button. और यहाँ you can see values option here. Scroll down and here is a font option. You just increase your font size and now you can see the size of the values have increased. Now you can see our headings are not seen properly. So here is a option column headers. तो आप सिंपली अपने फॉन्ट साइज को इंक्रीज करोगे एंड बोल्ड. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर आवर टेबल सीन प्रॉपर्ली. तो यहाँ बहुत से ऑप्शंस हैं टू फॉर्मेट योर टेबल, बट आई विल गिव यू अ क्विक मेथड जिससे आप अपने डेटा को जल्दी फॉर्मेट कर लोगे विद इन सेकेंड्स. सो द ऑप्शन इज इन द फॉर्मेट स्टाइल प्रीसेट. You can see here is a many pre-built templates for formatting the table. You just click on the style and see the changes. तो आप देख रहे हो कि यहाँ बहुत से options हैं you can play with. So it will save a lot of time. These are ready-made templates or style which are given and you can choose according to your requirements. So that's it. I hope you have understood how to work on basic formatting in table. Let us see how to work on conditional formatting in table. आपने सेम टर्म एक्सेल में सुनी होगी कंडीशनल फॉर्मेट. सो सेम फीचर्स हैव बीन कॉपीड फ्रॉम एक्सेल टू पावर बीआई. इन दिस वी टेक अ सिंपल टेबल एंड देन वी ड्रैग सब कैटेगरीज sales, profit and quantity column in our column section and then we simple format our table. तो हम conditional formatting start करेंगे. You can see in format here is a option cell elements. So you can see here is some features like background color, font color, icons, web URL. Conditional formatting can be applied to a numerical column, so you can see in tables हमारे पास इन columns में numerical values हैं. So let's say if I select sales and for sales I want to apply a background color, so I'll just enable this background color. और अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं तो the background color apply to the sales column. What it is trying to convey, अगर values higher हैं या bigger values हैं तो sales are higher then background would be dark color. Sales are lower, it will be light. अगर मैं इसे descending order में sort कर दूं, you will find it very easy to understood. Now I take a profit column here and here I change the font color. So simple, I enable the font color option and you can see in profit column again we have bigger values with dark color and lower will be light. Now I take a quantity column and enable the data bar option. Here you can see the changes. Now I sort the column and then you can see the column the lower bars will be decreased. I can select the profit and enable the icons and here you can see we have a different icons according to the values. When I go for a presentation, people wouldn't understood that easily. I need to customize icons depending upon my requirements. तो आइकन के ऑप्शन के नीचे यू कैन सी एडवांस कंट्रोल कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग ऑप्शन और ये ऑप्शन हर कंडीशन में हमें मिलेगा. So I'll click on this advanced control option and a pop-up window will come here and this pop-up window is same like as your Excel. तो आप इन options को देखो and we can do some changes here. I can take different icons for my table and click on OK. Now what is the beauty of this conditional formatting? Suppose अगर कल हमारे डेटा में changes आते हैं like data updates, data modify और value increase, these icons will automatically change. So sales are increased or profit are increased तो ये conditional formatting automatically change हो जाएगी. This is all about conditional formatting. I hope you have understood everything. Now here we see how to work on aggregation in table. जब भी मैं aggregation की बात करूंगी तो I want change from sum to count, average, minimum, maximum, etc. तो यहाँ आपको कुछ भी लिखना नहीं है for calculations. You just used some button and you will get the answer. Let's see, for aggregation, we take a table. Here we drag subcategories, sales, profit, and quantity in column section. Now, for aggregation, we go to the sales field and you can see here we have different aggregations. For sales column, I used minimum option and you can see the changes. Now, for profit column, I want to change the whole number with percent of grand total. For this, you go to the profit field section and here is the option show values as and select percentile of grand total and you can see the changes. So that's it. I hope you have understood how to work on aggregation in table. Let us see the second part, metrics. So how we create a simple matrix in Power BI, let's see. तो सबसे पहले हमें मैट्रिक्स की ज़रूरत क्यों है? तो I'll show you an example here. अगर मैं टेबल पे क्लिक करूँ और I choose सब कैटेगरी, region and sales, so I change the size for every time. I choose long process for increase size. So simply I go to the view tab, click on drop down customize current theme, then click on text and I increase the font size and apply. और in every page the size increases. अब मुझे हर बार format change नहीं करना होगा. So come back to the topic why we need metrics. तो you can see कि सारी सब कैटेगरीज 4 टाइम शो हो रही हैं because there are 4 reasons. तो अगर हम सारे सब कैटेगरीज को देखें तो ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा क्योंकि ये 1 डायमेंशन में है, राइट? So if I want in 2 directions, that means I want row heading as well as column heading, so I have to create a matrix. तो अगर आप इस टेबल को कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हो in matrix, simply select the table and click on this matrix button. तो अब आप देख रहे हो कि हमें ये 4 टाइम शो नहीं हो रही है. The accessories I am getting only 1 time, but in the row wise I am getting sales for those reasons. So this is much more readable as compared to table. Now we create a matrix with simple matrix button. I just click on matrix button and for rows I select a subcategories, drag a sales column in values and region for column. And you can see here we create a simple matrix. Let's see the conditional formatting in matrix. Conditional formatting is same what we have seen in table, but let us see in matrix how does it look like. Here you can create a simple matrix. Click on the matrix button and in rows drag subcategories, region in columns and sales in values. Now go to the format option and here is the option cell elements. Click on this button and we have a single numerical column here. Just enable the bars and sort this sales column and you can see the changes. Now I want to change the bar color. I go to the formatting option and here I change the bar color and click OK and you can see the changes. Now I take profit column in values and enable the bars and you can see the changes. Here we have some positive and negative values. So I want to change the color of positive and negative bars. I got the conditional formatting option and Here I change the positive color with yellow and negative with orange, and you can see the changes. Now we properly see the positive and negative values. So I hope you understood conditional formatting in matrix. Let us see a new topic in matrix, that is hierarchies. Hierarchies are used to display more information in less space. So सबसे पहले I'll create a matrix here. By the way, hierarchies can be only created in matrix. I drag category in rows, cells into values and subcategories below the category. When I can do this, you can see here is no changes except this small plus button. Here suppose अगर मैं सब कैटेगरी को डिलीट कर देती हूँ तो प्लस बटन वॉज डिसअपेयर. सो प्लस बटन इज नथिंग देयर बट दैट इज द एक्सपेंड बटन हेयर. तो मैं सब कैटेगरी को कैटेगरी के नीचे दोबारा ड्रैग करूंगी and now there is a small plus button. Now I drag region and segment below the category and you can see the changes. If sometime you want to see every hierarchy here, simply click this fourth button and see every category hierarchy here. For minimize the table, click this drill up button. So यहाँ you can see category column. तो अगर हमें reason column चाहिए, we just click on this third button and see the changes. One another hierarchy in column, I drag order date in column. So this fourth option only for row and column. So I select column here and you can see ready-made hierarchies created for order date like year, date, month, quarter. So hierarchies are very simple in metrics. In Power BI, you don't have to do much. Simply drag and drop and reset all. I would expect you to explore more. This would be very useful when we create a report or a dashboard, so I hope you understood properly. Let us see how to work on subtotal and grand total in matrix. Firstly, we create a simple matrix, drag category in rows, sales into values, and subcategory below the category in rows. Here you can see we create a simple matrix and you can see हर category के आगे उसकी sales का subtotal है and in the last we have grand total. We just go to the format option and you can see we have a row subtotal. And when I disable this, here you can see subtotal in sales column will be disappear. And when I enable this button, you can see the changes. Also, you can do some formatting in subtotal, scroll down and decide the position, also change text color, background color and enable this label button and see the changes. Now you have another option, row grand total, and you can do also formatting here like text color, background color and labels. That's all about subtotal and grand total in matrix. I hope you understood everything properly. Last part for this video is number formatting in matrix and table. Number formatting are very important and useful. Let us see. First of all, create a simple table and we drag subcategories, sales, profit and quantity. So आप यहाँ देख रहे हो कि हमारे पास 3 कॉलम्स हैं फॉर सब कैटेगरी इन सेल्स. हमारे पास डेसिमल नंबर है, प्रॉफिट वी हैव डेसिमल नंबर एंड क्वांटिटी इज अ होल नंबर. तो अगर हम सेल्स वैल्यू को होल नंबर में चेंज करना चाहते हैं तो सिंपली प्रेस द सेल्स ऑप्शन एंड यू कैन सी हियर इज अ न्यू टैब ओपन दैट इज कॉलम टूल टैब. Column tool tab will be only visible if you have upgraded the version. I am using the latest version. I'll give them first video link where you see how to upgrade the version, how to enable this window. Here we change data type with decimal number to whole number and you can see the changes. Now also we want to change the profit column into whole number and write values in thousand. Simply go to the format option, scroll down and here is the option specific column. Click on this button, go down, select profit column, decrease decimal places and select unit 1000 and see the changes. So same applies for the matrix, also nothing different. I'll just convert this into matrix format. Here I drag reason into column and I change the unit with 1000. This is the way you can change data type and field formatting. So that's it. I hope you have understood how to work on number formatting. I hope this session has been helpful in clarifying the concepts. If you have encountered any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to me by commenting below.